Hello folks, Samsung will launch its new smartwatches alongside the Galaxy Flip 4 and the Galaxy Fold 4 within the next few months. And it seems like we now have an exact release date. The Galaxy Watch 5 and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will be unveiled on August 10, 2022, according to leakster Jon Prosser. The two smartwatches from Samsung could go on pre-order on August 10, and their general availability could start from August 26. The Galaxy Watch 5 will be launched in 40 and 44mm versions. The 40mm version will be available in Phantom Black, Pink Gold and Silver colors, while the 44mm version could be launched in Phantom Black, Silver and Sapphire colors. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, the costlier version of the smartwatch, will only be launched in the 46mm size. It could be available in Phantom Black and Silver variants. This watch could feature premium materials, a bigger display and a huge battery. Both upcoming smartwatches are expected to feature a circular AMOLED display, a 5nm processor, the Wear OS 3 operating system with One UI Watch software, a metal case, dust and water resistance, and of course replaceable watch straps. Apart from the accelerometer, barometer, GPS, gyro, heart rate monitor and ECG, it could also feature a skin temperature sensor. According to Jon Prosser, Samsung will also unveil the Galaxy Flip 4 and the Galaxy Fold 4 on August 10, 2022. The phones will reportedly be available for pre-order in select markets on the same day. General availability could start from August 26 in select markets. The Galaxy Fold 4 could be available in beige, green and phantom black colors. The Galaxy Flip 4 could come in blue, bora purple, graphite and pink gold colors. We will also see a special Samsung Galaxy S22 in lavender color. The design and most of the specifications of the two upcoming Galaxy Z series phones have leaked already. The Galaxy Flip 4 will have a slightly bigger cover display, a thinner and lighter body, a bigger battery and 25W fast charging. The Galaxy Fold 4 will reportedly feature a thinner and lighter body, wider cover and internal foldable displays and improved cameras. See our previous videos on the channel for more details. Both smartphones will come equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, an IPX8 rating for water resistance, a side-mounted fingerprint reader and Android 12 based on One UI 4.1.1 software out of the box. For now, there is no information on the pricing of these two foldable smartphones. Also, there has been a lot of talk about the Galaxy Buds Pro 2 or even the Buds Live 2 unveiled at some point this year. However, Samsung is apparently not planning to overcrowd its unpacked stage with these bad boys. Instead, the aforementioned Flip 4, Fold 4 and the Galaxy Watch 5 are expected to get the glamorous August 10th launch event for themselves, while the Buds Pro 2 could be announced with less glitz at around the same time. That's a pretty weird strategy to adopt for what sounds like a new high-profile member of a very successful family of products in an extremely competitive and rapidly expanding industry. Perhaps more worryingly, this plan might have something to do with the Buds Pro 2's late development. That would explain why we still have no idea what to expect from these bad boys in terms of features, capabilities, design and pricing, also suggesting the silent release currently being predicted could happen much later than August. Let's hope that won't prove to be the case after all, and Samsung will manage to add another strong contender to the table sooner rather than later. Well, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Also share this video with your friends and good luck!